Moving from UiPath to Power Automate is a major operational shift, and without a clear picture of what exists in your current automation environment, migration can quickly become unpredictable. Kanerika's pre-migration utility removes that uncertainty before the transition begins. Here's how it works. The utility scans all your existing UiPath bots and automation flows, extracting the key information needed to understand the full scope of your current environment. It identifies every activity and subprocess across your entire bot library. The output is a structured metadata report that captures a comprehensive view of all automations in place, their complexity, and what each one involves. That report is then transformed into a detailed pre-migration assessment with an interactive dashboard. It gives a clear visual understanding of the migration ahead, from scale and complexity to timelines and resource needs. For organizations evaluating the move to Power Automate, this is the smartest first step. It turns an overwhelming migration into a structured, predictable process. Successful migrations require clarity and precision. Take that first step with the pre-migration utility.